Hey, what's up y'all? It's Brendo coming at you with another tutorial. So today we're doing Lead Me On by Chandler Moore. So at the end of this video, ask a few questions. Feel free to leave your answers in the comment section. Let's get into it.
So this song is in the key of E flat major. All right, so let's get into the introduction. It goes like this. So all I'm doing in my left hand, bass notes are E flat major, E flat, to G minor chord, right? But I'm playing fifths in my left hand, to a 4 chord, which is a A flat perfect fifth in my left hand. And then what I'm doing here is, so again, and my right hand is going to be doing most of the heavy lifting with the melody as well as the chords. So when I get here, right, so first thing I did was I did a 1 chord in my right hand. This is an E flat major chord. It's just inverted. So hit that E flat 3 times. My next chord is going to be the G minor chord. After hitting that chord, I'm hitting this E flat again. So I'll put it all together. And then this next chord, I still have a 1 in my right hand, but the left hand has a 4, which is going to be the A flat bass notes. So from the beginning. And that's the introduction right there. So when I hit this 5 chord, I have on my thumb and pinky G and E flat, thumb and pinky F and D. So again, from the beginning of the introduction. Verse. Same thing. Yep. Same thing for the verse. And then when you get to the pre-chorus, those chords go 4, 6, 5. Let's see.
I teach beginners how to play piano confidently for their church. Whether you know just a little bit or nothing at all, I can teach you how to get out of that beginner phase and playing on stage at your church within 90 days, okay? So there's a link in the description. Check out the link. All the information you need is there. All right, back to the video.
So those chords. This is pre-chorus. Lead me. All right, so let's talk about that. Here we go. All right, so let's talk about that. Those pre-chorus chords. A flat major chord. I'm playing my 6th chord as a C minor 7. So bass note C. Right hand is a E flat major chord, which creates a C minor 7. So a regular B flat major chord. Lead me for same chords we know. This is the only chord we're adding that's brand new to our tutorial. So this right here is going to be a 1/3 chord. The first time we played a 3 chord, it was a 3 minor, and that was in the introduction verse. But for the chorus, this 3 chord is a 1/3, right? So here's the characteristics of a 1/3. My right hand has the 1 chord, which is a E flat major chord, and my left hand is kind of imitating what it's doing in the right hand, except it's taking out that third. In this case, the 5th, I guess, but it's taking out that middle finger here. So now you're playing 5ths in the left and triad in the right. So again, chorus, lead me. Here's a verse again. And same as that chord progression. And then I'm gonna fast forward actually to the next part of the song. So let's pretend we just did the verse again and then the chorus, right? So this chorus, the verse, same thing as what was in the introduction, right? The 1, then the 3, and then the 4, 5, and then chorus. And then here's the bridge. And all I'm doing here in my right hand is G, A flat, B flat, E flat. And left hand is just holding that bass note on the 1 and the 4. So the first one is the 1. 4. And I'm doing that for the entire bridge. All right, so let's recap real quick. Before I get to that bridge, we're doing a chorus. Lead me on, da, 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 da. Lead me on, 5, 5 on the 1. And eventually they do that over and over again until they get to the end of the bridge, right? So let's practice that part. All right, so here's the bridge. You will lead chorus on, lead me. And then at the end of that chorus again, comes down and we're doing the introduction to end the song. So you know that already. It's the 1 chord. And that's how you play Lead Me On. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you benefited from it. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section. And also tell me, why are you learning this song? Is this for church? Are you learning it for a Sunday service, for a youth group service, or did you just really love the song and wanted to learn it that bad? All right, so put it in the comment section, and I'll be sure to take a look at your comments. If you have any song suggestions, feel free to put them in there as well. Love you guys. I'm out.